The arm, you want to start by taking off this back plate so you can move the wiring over from the right side to the left side. There's 4 screws. I've already taken 3 of them out just for the matter of time here. But 4 Phillips head screws, and then this back will come right off. Good. And yours might be a little bit different, but it's the same idea. Basically just loosen this up right here. You got to actually have this unplugged back here. And this should come right out. Alright, then you basically take a size 5 Allen key and you want to loosen these up. And basically mirror it onto the other side. And tighten it back into place. Okay. So basically, you want to feed your cable back through the arm. And you might have a light on yours, I'm not sure, but that's just, same cable to be with it. Then you bring it over to this side here, and drop it in. You got your little tightening screw right here that basically controls, how tight it is on the arm. Keep it nice and tight. Feed it back through on this side. Like I said, if you have the lights, do the same thing with the lights. And then it'll do basically plug it in on this side. There's a little plug for your joystick right here. I unplugged it from this side. I'm just going to plug it in on the left side. And then if you have the light kit on yours, it just plugs in right here. And then you basically just take your back cover, put it back on with the 4 screws. Just here, 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 and here. And the joystick switch to the left side. Alright, and to adjust the depth of the seat, you're going to have 4 screws back here, 2 on this side, 2 on this side. You don't need to take them out, you just need to loosen them up. I've already loosened these 3 just to save time. I'm going to loosen this one now. It's a size 6 Allen wrench. Once you let me get a little bit more here. Might have to play with it a little bit to get them just loose enough to where it moves. This should be good. And sometimes it helps if you lift back on the seat. It kind of raises it, and you can see right there it moved forward about an inch. You can move forward a couple more inches all the way there, but if you want it as deep as you can get, you want to pull it all the way back, and then just retighten the screws back in place whenever you decide where you want the depth at. Alright, and to adjust the length of the legs, you've got 2 screws right here, another Allen head screw. This is a size 5. So you just loosen it here. Loosen it here again, don't take it all the way out, just loosening it. And then once you got them loose, you can see it moves up and down. You can get it to your desired length, and once it's there, just tighten them back up, and you'll be good to go.